Welcome to World Classics Sports Car. Today we're pleased to offer to you this 2003 Mercedes SL55 AMG. Finished in brilliant silver. The car's covered 64,000 miles from new. It's got great service history. It's a car we've sold before. It's very high specification and great value for money. As we walk around the car, you'll see how nice the car is, with the paintwork gleaming from all angles. No dents or scratches, a few little marks to the front of the car as you'd expect for this very fast sports tourer. Okay, the AMG, it's 476 brake horsepower. It's on these turbo vane wheels, which are 18-inch, all fitted with recent Pirelli P0 tyres. Okay, at the front we've got xenon lamps, front fog lights, park distance sensors. Again, the condition is very, very nice, as you can see. Looking down the near side of the car, again, no dents or scratches. Wheels and tyres just the same, all in great condition. Stunning car, very expensive new, very fast car, supercharged engine. Limited to 155 miles an hour. We'll have a run down the road in a few moments and you'll see how nice it goes. Okay, quad exhaust at the back. First thing you distinguish to an SL55. Rear park sensors there. Inside the boot, you'll see the panoramic roof, which we'll put up for you in a few moments. It's all great in there. The photos are on the website and everything, all the tools and everything's all in the back there. The boot, when you close it, it's got a soft close function. Inside the car, superb combination. It's got dark grey leather upholstery, perforated seats, AMG badges there, and as you can see, this is a driver's seat. The car's run 64,000 miles, still in great condition. It has got a few little marks there. Leather is a natural material, as I'm sure you're aware. Doesn't detract from the beauty of the car. So we've got 80 seats and cooled seats. We've got massage function on the seats. First aid kit underneath the front of the driver's seat there, and on the passenger side we've got the benefit of a fire extinguisher. Okay, we've got a windbreak here. Door cards all in nice condition. Nicely detailed down the door, pillars there and everything. Very, very clean car. There we see the heated seat switches and memory seats, which are the same for both sides, and electronic seats, electronic headrest function. Both speakers there as well. Okay, it's got a sat-nav system. It is a fairly old system, but it does work. There's a telephone in the centre console there. It's not a modern Bluetooth system. We've got folding mirrors, we've got active body control there, air suspension, climate control, front and rear park sensors, the display is up the top there and everything. You've got these nice Alcantara binnacles, which you get on an AMG car. Multifunction steering wheel with paddle shift, cruise control, speed limiter. Lovely condition down the bottom there. You see the controls for the lumbar support and the massage seats, and also the alloy sports pedals and Mercedes overmats. We'll put the top up for you now and just show you what it looks like with the hard top up, which is panoramic roof. So we'll take you for a wander down the road in a moment in the car. In the meantime, if you have any questions, give us a call on 01507 606 725 or visit the website worldsideclassics.co.uk. Thanks for looking.